Hello, it's me Lily, and today I will be doing a Princess Polly haul. First and foremost, I wanted to thank Princess Polly for sponsoring this video. As always, I am so excited to be collaborating with Princess Polly. They are one of my favorite brands, and I have a discount code for you all to use while you are perusing through the site. My discount code for this month is 20ADLIN. That is 20ADLIN to get 20% off. So make sure to use that as you are dropping things into your shopping cart. Princess Polly also offers AfterPay and ShopPay to all US customers, and they offer free shipping within the US on orders $50 or more, so make sure to check out all those amazing features. First and foremost, I wanted a cute little mini skirt, but here's the issue with me and mini skirts. I cannot for the life of me, just keep them in place. Something's always going awry. So when I saw this, I was really excited, and I think it's funny because I feel like skorts had a bad rep before, and I'm here to end that once and for all. I love a good skort. Nothing that's not supposed to be shown is gonna be shown, and I can be a little more comfortable and carefree throughout the night, throughout the day, whatever it is I'm doing. It's just this little pleated denim mini skirt, and it has some shorts underneath, which just makes it so much more comfortable since it is so mini. I believe it's like more of a mid to low rise, which I really like. I think it can be very flattering. And as of right now, I'm just looking for the right way to style it. And I'm so excited to add this to my spring wardrobe. I know it's going to become a must for me. So I am looking forward to pairing this every which way. And I would definitely recommend taking a look at this piece. Next little item that I got is so cute. When one of my roommates saw it on the floor, she was just like, that's adorable. If there was one change I would make, I probably would have gotten one size smaller. I love to upsize, and I love for things to just be big and comfy and not tight or too fitted, especially when it comes to hoodies or certain tops like that. But it is so cute. It is this strawberry shortcake, greetings from Snowy Aspen top. And I was obsessed with strawberry shortcake when I was little. I think for one Christmas, I had the biggest crush. I think is his name like Huckleberry. So for Christmas when I was little, my parents got me these stuffed animals, and they told me it was from him. He's like the boy on strawberry shortcake. And I went nuts. I was so excited. I have all of the DVDs still at my back home. So I knew I had to get this. When I saw it on Princess Polly, I just was like, oh my god, that's adorable. I need that. My inner child needs that. Yeah, is he on this? I think so. I think this next top I got, I'm wearing right now, and it is this cute, the material of the top itself, it's like the black material feels almost like an athletic material, like that stretchy feel. It's so comfortable, and it's so flattering, just the way it kind of hugs your body, and just, I feel like it just lifts everything where it needs to be lifted, and I really like that. And the reason it stood out to me is because I love the little pink camisole bralette kind of detailing underneath. And it's if you remember when you were younger and you had those camisoles with the built-in training bras, this is almost what that reminds me of. But the way that this top works, I'm not wearing a bra. I do not need to wear anything underneath it, which I absolutely love. If you know me, I hate being uncomfortable, so this is such a must for me. I'm obsessed with this top, and if they start offering it in more colors, I will buy every color. This next top that I got is the Jaren top in green. I think it's clear my little obsession right now is lace detailing on tops. I just think it is so beautiful. I love this material. This sage shade of green is so beautiful, and the white lace detailing, it just feels so feminine, so girly, so elegant. And I love the little flare at the bottom. There's a zip, and I'm excited to find out ways to wear it. I think based off how it's looking right now, it might be one of those tops that I need a little camisole underneath or a cute bralette. but I'm excited to mess around with it, play around with it, and try all these different styles and different ways to dress it up and down. Another such a cute top. I think it's really cute. I'm actually very interested if they have this in like black or like a cream. I feel like that'd be so pretty. Next, I got the Jenner triangle bikini top in white diamond. And it is so cute. One of the things I really do love about Princess Polly swimwear is that they sell the sets separately. And I think for most of us, your body does not come in a one size fits all. So a small on top might not be a small on the bottom, vice versa. And I really appreciate when brands do that, just because it makes the fit so much better and it makes the purchase so much more worthwhile. This particular design I just felt like was so simple but so cute. I don't ever wear white bikinis, but I think like a couple videos ago I got a white bikini from Princess Polly. So I'm gonna retract that statement, but I avoid white in general, as we know, because I am a messy girl. I stain things when I eat. I can't do it. But this was so cute and I couldn't pass it up, so I'm really glad I got it. So the bottoms are also just a triangle style, so cute, has that tie on the sides, which makes it so great to adjust. And I really like it because it's not a thong style bikini. If you know me, I'm not a fan of thong style bikinis. I just end up finding them so uncomfortable and I cannot enjoy myself in them. So I'm really glad. I'm actually so obsessed with that. I cannot wait to wear that once the weather warms up and I'm heading out to the beach or in my closet. I don't own enough like sweatpants. I don't own enough jackets, but I own so many dresses. And I'm also I don't have the schedule where I'm attending a ton of events in dresses besides like maybe my sorority. So that is something that I need to work on. I need to do a little introspection there, but I just love a good dress. And this dress was so cute. I have a date party like literally this Saturday and the theme is boots and blues. So I haven't even tried on this dress. I'm gonna try it on and I'm gonna see if it's gonna work for the date party. Throw on my little white Princess Polly cowboy boots that I need to wash because I've had those since I got into college. And I absolutely love this dress though. Like even if I don't wear it for date party, I'm gonna wear it for something. So another must for me. It feels like Christmas right now because I forgot that I ordered a lot of these. This is the Change is Good necklace in silver. And Princess Polly, just like most websites, usually I feel like their jewelry is gold. And most people I think do wear gold jewelry, so I think that's like good for the majority of people. Silver just kind of like pops out, like it contrasts with my skin tone more, which I like. So this necklace is so beautiful. Wait, I'm actually really excited. Oh, this is this dainty silver necklace with little like pearl looking beads. Those are my roommates, with little pearl looking beads separated throughout. And then at the bottom, there's a little heart and it is just so beautiful. I cannot wait to just add this to my day-to-day jewelry and I absolutely love it. This is what I got from Princess Polly. So once again, make sure to use my discount code. As always, I love collaborating with Princess Polly. Make sure to check out the description down below to see all of the links for what I got so you can check them out if you want to add them to your shopping cart. And as always, I hope you have a wonderful day and a wonderful time until I see you again. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.